Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us a code for free gifts, okay? All you need to do is to either download the Temu app if you don't have the app on your phone with the link that will be in my description box or comment section, or just download the app and search this code, okay? FRS 127497. Just search. Watch what happens when I click on the search icon. You see, I'm offered gifts. I'm offered one which, if I go on to play the game, it can be increased to 3, 6, or even 8. And the same thing goes for you, okay? So if you're a new app user, don't let this slip away, okay? Just do it. Go on, download the app in my link, or like I said, search for this code in the Timu app search bar, and the free gift is yours. Of course, you should know that when Timu offers you free gift, it comes with qualifying orders. So you actually have to spend some money to unlock these free gifts. Okay. If you're a returning app user, you can still go on to search the code and see if this will work for you. All right. I mean, it works for me whenever I want to place some orders on Timu app. I use this and it works every time. So just let me know if it works for you, okay? And one trick I'm going to be telling us is this. If you know that thing you want Timu to offer you as a free gift, make sure you add it to your wish list, to your cart, you browse about it before you actually go on to impute this code so that you have a higher chance of these the items you like being offered to you as free gifts. Okay, anyway, just go on, do everything I've said, and let me know if it works for you. Okay, thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.